mixer oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. They are fast, they only take 10 minutes to make and 10 minutes to prepare. The first thing you want to do is to preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Then line a baking sheet or a grease paper. Second thing, in a large bowl, add eggs, butter, sugar, vanilla, and mix with a spoon for 90 seconds until soft and fluffy. Third thing, add the oats, flour, baking soda, salt, and stir to combine. Then add the chocolate chip cookies. The fifth thing you want to do, using a 2 tablespoon scoop to scoop out your dough. Place them 2 inches apart. We're going to be baking these for 10 to 13 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool and add additional chocolate chips. Additionally guys, cookies will keep airtight at room temperature for about 1 week, or if we have leftovers we can keep them in the freezer for 6 months. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share to show your support.